Hey, to connect the JBL Alive 770 noise cancellation headphones with two devices at the same time, first of all, you will have to connect them with your first device and set them up with the JBL headphones application. If you don't know how to do this, you can find a lot of videos on my channel about connection and these earbuds. Then, when you do this, you will have to turn on your headphones and tap once on this Bluetooth button, which is located right here. Now this indicator will start blinking and we will get the pairing information. Now on the second device you will have to go into the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from available devices you will have to select the JBL Live 770 NC. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are connected with two devices at the same time. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.